How to connect Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure that you have created an account on both of these applications. Once you have done that, open your Telegram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on 3 horizontal bars at the top left. Once you tap on it, here you will be able to see the wallet option just below my profile option. You simply need to tap on this wallet option. But if you didn't see the wallet option here, you can come back to this previous page and tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search bar here you can type in wallet. Now you will be presented with the search results below. Tap on this wallet bot. And once you open the chat page, here you will need to tap on this wallet icon at the bottom left. Once you do so, now you will be able to open your Telegram wallet. Once you open your Telegram wallet, here tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. And here you will be able to see Tone Space Beta. You'll first need to enable it. For that, tap on this Tone Space Beta. And under it, here you'll be able to see toggle button if you have not enabled it yet. But if you already have enabled it, you'll not be able to see the toggle button. You simply have to back up your recovery phase here. If you haven't backed up your recovery phase previously, you'll be able to see the backup option here. But if you have already backed up, you'll not be able to see this option. Now you simply have to tap on this tab to view phrase. And once doing that, you will be able to access your 24 words, which is your recovery phase. Now tap on this copy recovery phase option just below these words. And once you have done that, your secret recovery phase will be copied. Once you have copied it, now you will need to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device. Here make sure you are logged into your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you open it, here at the top you will be able to see the wallet option. Tap on the wallet option and at the bottom you will see this pop-up window. Here at the very bottom you will need to tap on this add wallet button, and by doing so you will be presented with these options. Here you will need to select this existing wallet option just below new wallet. Once you tap on it, now here you will need to paste the copied 24 words, which is your secret recovery phase, from your Telegram wallet. You can simply tap on this paste button at the very bottom and the secret recovery phase will be pasted here. Once after doing that, now tap on this continue button below and now wait for a while. Here you will be asked to enter your passcode. After you enter the passcode, wait for a while, and then here you can now customize your wallet. You can give it a name, Telegram, select a color for it, select an icon for it, and then tap on next button at the bottom. Now here you can tap on this Telegram option at the top. And here you can see you have successfully connected your Telegram wallet to your Tonkeeper wallet. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.